instituted celebration of National Energy Conservation. Week 8th to 14th December 2024. National Energy Conservation Day, 9th December 2024. Objective of celebration. Objective is to drive mass awareness about the importance of energy efficiency and conservation. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency, BEE, under Ministry of Power, spearheads the celebrations every year, and the state nodal agency, Meghalaya State Designated Agency, MSDA, under Power Department, forefronts the celebration in state. BEE/MSDA recognize and encourage endeavors in reducing energy consumption by felicitating them with National Energy Conservation Awards (NECA) for rewarding the efforts on energy conservation in India. BEE/MSDA also awards prizes to the national winners of the annual National Painting Competition on Energy Conservation. The awards were given for the first time on December 14, 1991, which was declared as the National Energy Conservation Day. Since then, National Energy Conservation Awards, NECA, has been attracting the attention of all the stakeholders and has witnessed increasing participation level year after year. Golden tips for energy conservation. Lighting. Turn off all unnecessary lights and try keeping bulbs and fixtures clean. Replace incandescent bulbs and CFL with LED bulbs and reduce your bill on lighting by up to 75%. Use light color on walls to reduce your lighting requirement. Star-rated appliances. Replace old regularly used electrical appliances like geysers, water pumps, refrigerators, etc. with BE Star label appliances because star-rated appliances consume less energy and hence can save on electricity bill. Download B Star label apps on your smartphone and do a quick comparative assessment of the model's energy efficiency. Turn off energy-consuming appliances which are not in used or utilized. Washing machines. Load washing machines only to its prescribed capacity. A half-loaded washing machine wastes water and energy. Geyser. Water heater. Install solar water heater system. By reducing the temperature setting of water heater from 60 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius, one could save over 18% of the energy used at higher setting winter saving. Instead of turning on your heaters, wear sweater or add a blanket during the cold seasons.